How to zoom in and out on TikTok video. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and out of a TikTok video. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. How to zoom in and out a TikTok video. If you want to zoom in and out of a TikTok video, what we can do is we can go ahead and then launch the TikTok application here. Then once you launch the TikTok app, this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Now when you've done that, you can just tap on this little plus icon from the bottom of the screen and you can just hold this video to record, right? So we will go over here whether you're trying to create something or trying to post something. So just choose the amount of seconds you want for this video. Now just begin recording and keep holding your fingers on it. If you want to zoom in, just swipe up like this. If you want to zoom out, just swipe down like this. Do not let go of your fingers because that will stop the recording. So swipe up to zoom, swipe down to zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out just like this, and you've successfully done it. And this way you will be able to go ahead and zoom in and out a TikTok video. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.